Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about Etihad Airways Baggage Allowance. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the cabin baggage size, the allowed dimensions are 56 centimeters by 36 centimeters by 23 centimeters. And when it comes to the personal item dimension, 23 centimeters by 39 centimeters by 19 centimeters. And for the economy and the business and the first class allowance, one cabin bag up to 7 kilograms, and the business and first class is one cabin bag up to 12 kilograms, and one personal item such as a handbag or etc. up to 5 kilograms. And when it comes to the infant's allowance, one bag up to 5 kilograms is allowed, and the laptop and the personal items must be stored within the cabin bag, not separately. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.